If you've watched Arena Cross in the last, oh, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years, you know who that guy is. Kyle Peters, the 5 times champ, who apparently, after winning this 5th title, has thought of at least retirement. But as of a couple days ago today, whatever it is, Phoenix Honda Racing saying, quote, after contemplating retirement, Kyle Peters, the 5-time champion, returns with Phoenix Honda Racing to chase the record of a 6th championship. Now that'd be pretty cool. You got to say, whatever you think of Arena Cross, the smaller brother Supercross, it's not as popular, doesn't cover as much space, it's a little less known. It's still, gotta be cool to say you're a 5 times champion of something. And if you're gonna go and compete for a 6th, you probably have a pretty good chance of it. It's not like, you retired for 5, 6, 7 years and then decided to come back and, you're that little bit slower. But no, this is just, hey, I didn't really know. We talked about it. We thought it through and I'm coming back. I mean, you gotta say for Honda too, this looks great. You keep your championship run, you keep showing how good a bike can be in a certain series, and whatever it is, they always like to win. If you're a squad or a manufacturer, you always like to say we won this year. No matter how obviously you want them to be, the Supercross title and the MotoGP title and like the high end stuff, but any sort of winning, any sort of show that your bike was better than the other brands is really good for you. PR style and just morale style too. Or morale way. I don't know. But comments down below. I want to hear from you guys. Do you watch Arena Cross? And correct me if I'm wrong. Is there 2 series? I think there might be. I don't know anymore. But tell me, do you watch it? Are you a fan of Kyle Peters? Are you going to watch it? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.